Okay, in this problem, number 7, we are going to graph the ellipse and the foci. So first off, we see a squared is equal to 81. A squared is always the larger of the two numbers. If I square root, a equals 9. B squared is equal to the smaller of the two denominators, which is 49, so b is equal to 7 when I square root. If I want to calculate the foci, I need to find c, and the way we find c is doing a squared minus b squared. 81 minus 49. So that gives us c squared equal to 32, which gives us, sorry about that, my pen isn't working very well. Square root that, break it down to 16 and 2 gives you 4 root 2. If we're going to graph that, we are going to go up 9, down 9, over 7, and over 7, because A is vertical since it's underneath Y. B is horizontal. And then C is 4 root 2. Root 2 is about 1.4. So we're looking at about 5 units. So I'm just going to go about right there and right there. And then you just connect it. For this, we need, for standard form of an ellipse, we need it equal to 1. So it makes sense to divide by 100 on each term. And sorry for the sloppiness. So that'd be x squared over 4 plus y squared over 25 equals 1. And now you just do the same as number 7. I won't go through it formally, but I will talk about it. You have a squared equal to 25, and that would be a equal to 5. You have b squared equal to 2, or b squared equal to 4, so b would equal to be 2. This would be vertical. You go up 5 for a, up and down 5 for a, left and right 2 for b. Calculate c by doing the c squared, a squared minus b squared. Luckily you have the a squared and the b squared here, so that'd be root 21, gives you some decimal, and then you go up that value since this is vertical. For 19, I drew the ellipse as best as I could. What we want to notice is finding the value of a and b. So if our center is there, a is equal to 2, b is equal to 1. So the a is going to go underneath the x, so a squared would be 4 plus y squared, b squared, b is 1, so b squared would be 1, equals 1, and there's your final equation.